Well, greetings YouTube. Here's the aftermath of the nor'easter. As you can see, we got a snow plow over here. And then down here at the other end, if we can see him, there's a great big old front loader piling it up. I used to like snow. Not anymore, man. They're trying to figure out what to do with it. At least they're here. There's not a gallon of milk on a store shelf within 300 miles of Washington, D.C. We're about 100 miles away from Washington here. And on the news last night, they were saying that the store shelves were empty, that people had stocked up. This is the second major snowstorm that we've had in a couple of months. And this time around, people were ready. Good to see these guys out here. And hopefully we don't get more of this winter, because we have definitely had our quota of snow here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd love to continue this video, but I've got to close this door because it is cold.
Yes, it is. Now shut it.
All right, we'll do it. We're going to shut it. JC waving bye-bye. See y'all later.